Which of these musicians composed Brandenburg concertos? Johannes Brahms, Richard Wagner, Johann Sebastian Bach, Frédéric Chopin. The correct answer is Johann Sebastian Bach. Yerevan is the capital city of which of these Western Asian countries? Armenia, Andorra, Algeria, Azerbaijan. The correct answer is Armenia. What was the name of the queen who ruled Egypt as a pharaoh during the New Kingdom? Nefertiti, Cleopatra, Hatshepsut, Tewasret. The correct answer is Hatshepsut. Which planet has the longest day in our solar system? Earth, Jupiter, Venus, Neptune. The correct answer is Venus. A Sitka spruce is a variety of which item? Tree, flower, mushroom, herb. The correct answer is tree. The Byzantine Empire faced several invasions from which group of people? Vikings, Mongols, Arabs, Huns. The correct answer is Arabs. The Renaissance, a period of art and intellectual rebirth, began in which country? France, Italy, Spain, Germany. The correct answer is Italy. What is the chemical symbol for the element tungsten? Tu, W, Tn, Wu. The correct answer is W. What was the estimated lifespan of Glyptodon? 10 to 20 years, 30 to 40 years, 50 to 60 years, 70 to 80 years. The correct answer is 30 to 40 years. H&M's marketing campaigns often feature famous models and celebrities. Who became the first transgender model to star in an H&M campaign? Who? Andrea Pejic, Naomi Campbell, Gigi Hadid, Cara Delevingne. The correct answer is Andrea Pejic. What was the first ballroom dance where partners faced each other in a close embrace? Waltz, tango, foxtrot, quickstep. The correct answer is waltz. Among certain indigenous peoples of North America, what is a ceremonial gathering featuring feasting, songs, and dancing called? Powwow, pow-pow, circle feast, peace dance. The correct answer is powwow. What is the name of the body of water that separates Saudi Arabia from Africa? Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Persian Gulf, Mediterranean Sea. The correct answer is Red Sea. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Bruce Springsteen? Born to Run, Stories I Only Tell My Friends, Where Have I Been? Steps in Time. The correct answer is Born to Run. Who painted the famous artwork for The Birth of Venus? Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, Sandro Botticelli, Raphael. The correct answer is Sandro Botticelli.